Hello, my name is Ben Sayer. In this video I'm going to show you 3 of the changes in the RootsMagic 4.0.9.7 update. Let's start by having a look at the edit screen. So I'm going to select my father here in this pedigree and open up the Edit Person dialog. And right down here in marriage information we can see that it lists Naval Air Station followed by Pensacola, Florida, USA. So in previous versions this would have simply said Pensacola, Florida, USA here, but now it's prepending whatever's in the place details into this little table here. Now let's hop over to my mother to be fair, and I want to show you a change in the edit of notes. So I pressed enter on that person to open up the edit person screen, and right here in notes, if I bring that up, you can see if you want to edit or paste text in here, you have only the choice of a regular paste. You don't have a paste special where you can select that you want unformatted or plain text to be inserted. So the way that this works is if I switch over to WordPad, where I have some text that is not plain text, it's bolded and underlined here and it's italics here, and I select this and then copy it and then switch back over here. If I simply do Control V or paste, it's going to include all of that formatting, and then getting rid of it would require me to change the formatting in here either individually, or if I just turn it all bold and then unbold it, all italics, no italics, and then all underline and no underline, then it clears that all to plain text. That's not really an ideal solution. So Bruce and the team have put in an option up here on Tools on the menu bar, and down here on Program Options. Right here at the bottom is this option, Use Plain Text when pasting to notes. So let's check that on and then click OK. And we'll go back into my mother's record and click the Note button. And we'll insert that same text, but at the end. And you can see this is now a plain text note, this piece of text that we inserted. So you can change it to plain text, although it would have been ideal to be able to have a paste special there. There's at least a workaround. If you know you're going to be pasting something that needs to be plain text, then you can go into here and change this and then change it back when you're going to paste in things where you want the rich text, bolding, underlining, and italics or other things like that. The last change I want to show you is in the Individuals List report. So right up here on the menu bar, we'll click Reports, and then go down to Lists, and then within here we'll select the individual list and then click the Create Report button. Now by default it's set to include an index for people and an index for places at the end of the report, although it was not appearing for this report previously. So you want to check in here by clicking Indexes and make sure that if you want them to appear, that some option other than No Name Index, or on the Place Index tab, No Place Index, make sure one of the other selections is on there if you want one of those or both of them. And then when we click Generate Report button here, it will create this report. And so let's scroll down. And we can see here's the end of the report for the individuals. If we go up a page, you can see the last of the people there, the last page of the report proper, and then the beginning of the index of names. And if we scroll down through those, we'll see that's the beginning of the index of places. And that's the last page of the index of places.